In this video, we will show you how to get coordinates from image in HTML language. In here, for example, I have one image. My image contains 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get for each layer for the coordinates. In the HTML, this is usually using for mapping. To get the coordinates rather than manually, we can using online tool called imagemap.net. Just open imagemap.net and we can select image and upload it. Okay, I will upload my image. Okay, please be careful here because our image is polygon type. We need just to choose the shape from rectangle, circle, polygon. We need to choose polygon in here. And for the rules, we cannot just doing something we like this. We cannot doing something look like this. There is half basic rules. So how to do that the right way? Okay, I will delete. You can delete the point or bullets by right clicking on your mouse. So to process with correct, you can just add point in sequence mode. For example, in here, for the first layer, we click in here, click in here, click in here, click in here, and click in here. Okay, we get the coordinate for first. Okay, now for the second layers, we can plus add new area here and activate in here and select poly again. This is for the second area. We can click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, and click here. So we need to add the bullets in sequence mode. We cannot using in a random way. Okay, and we can also drag and drop look like this after we add the bullet. Okay, this is for the second. And the third, we can add new area again. And for the poly, I will add again in this area. Oh, I'm sorry. We right click in here, activate in the third, and click here, click here, click here, 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 and here. And we can adjust the size, okay, like this. I'm sorry. And then the fourth, we can add new area again, activate in here, select poly again. We can click add the palette here, 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 and here. Okay, this is little down. Okay, and the last, add new area again, select poly, and don't forget to activate and select this, 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 and this. Okay, this is for the last. Okay, little down again. And you can also give the link for each coordinate. For example, I add HTTPS on our website or using another website, for example, pxlab.com. And for third, I will using cross section here. And for the title, you can using first, second, third word, for example, like this, and fifth like this, for example. And target, you can also select blank or parent or whatever you want here. After the all done, you can click the show me the code button here and you will get the map or coordinates. So this is very useful if you're creating a map with HTML code. So we need to save in Notepad, for example, here. I will paste and save in HTML format on the desktop. For example, I put on the desktop. This is www or map.html and select all files and save as. So let's open our map in here based on coordinate. So you can see here first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So with this basic, you can explore to continue creating hover, tooltip, or another unit like interactive maps on ATC. That's all tutorial how to get coordinates from image in HTML language. Thanks for watching.